How to delete your Spotify account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this card video I will show you the way as to how you can remove your Spotify account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to delete your Spotify account, it's relatively very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first launch the Spotify application. Once you launch the Spotify application, you want to come to the home page over here and then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon on the top right corner. Over here you have to look for the option called support. So look for the option called Spotify support over here. If you don't find it, you can go to the your library section or anywhere else, but under settings, under the about section, you'll find the support section obviously. So tap on it. As you tap on the support option, you'll be taken to the help page of the Spotify official website, which is support.spotify.com. So what you want to do is, in the search box, you just want to search for closing your account. So just go ahead and type in the keyword called closing your account. Once you type in closing your account, you'll see this kind of keyword over here that is closing your account. So just tap on this article first. Once you do that, you can see it says closing your account. So it also depends on what kind of account you have, if you have got a premium account or if you don't have a premium account. If you have a premium account, you can tap on close your account for premium users. Right over here, fill in the details as to why you are leaving and so on. But if you do not have a premium account, then obviously again you have to repeat the same steps at the bottom, which says close your account over here, and just try to proceed to delete your account that you show. Do you need to close this account? So just tap on the close account button. It'll ask you for all the confirmation, so just tap on the continue button over here. Once you tap on the continue button, everything such as the saved music, podcasts and playlists, your followers and everything is going to get deleted. So tap on the continue button again and check your email to close. All you have to do is open up your mailbox over here, and as you open up your mailbox, you need to simply log into that particular email address, and you can see I have an email from Spotify, so I will select it up, and here I will just select the option called close my account. As and when I do that, you'll be able to see that now my Spotify account has been successfully closed. So as you can see right over here, now Spotify will also basically send you a link in which you can reactivate your account within 7 days. But if you do not reactivate within 7 days, then your account is going to get forever lost. And this is how you can delete your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.